Well, hello there, and thank you for joining us here at Coolest Life. My name is Tony, and I'm here to take you through Sun Vista RV Park and Resort. So a lot of this park is, you're going to find out, is park models, but there are definitely some RV sites here. Not many. I think in this video I actually say there's about 60% park models, but I think it's closer to 80. Just saying. But nothing wrong with that if that's what you're into. Come on with us as we explore this park. I'll show you all the amenities it's got. If you like pickleball, this is the place to be. If you like woodworking, this is the place to be. If you got an RC car, yeah, they got that too. A lot of other amenities I won't take you through. But anyway, so come on with us because you just entered the Coolest Life RV Park Review Edition. And there are definitely several RVs here, but as you can tell, it's definitely about half and half. I think there's maybe even 60% are park models. A little bit of room here, so you got like this one here. He's actually got room to park this huge trailer next to his. Still got a concrete pad though. You do have a dog park that way, straight ahead on the other side of those dumpsters. There's a small dog park. Looks like some people bought their stuff out here. They got pickleball courts here. Or as we're looking through a fence. So they got 1, 2, 3 courts right here. It looks like there's someone on the other side. Got at least 5 here. Another windy day, but out here at the back of the park, looks like this could be a bocce ball or maybe even petanque, probably petanque. And they got an RC track here. That's pretty cool. Oh no! Flipped it. There's definitely a bocce ball there. Looks like they got a putt-putt golf course in the very back. The back, so they got some storage. That's kind of maintenance back there. Definitely some storage here going on. Overflow parking. And a set of bathrooms. I may go in there in a minute. So yeah, there is a large number of park models, as you can see here. A whole lot of them. All in good repair though. And here's some shuffleboard courts right here next to the main building. It's like they're really good. You can tell they're a little shiny, so you can tell they take care of them. A little windy today. It looks like a nice little fitness center here. Good looking, good size. I like it. Oh, look, more pickleball here next to the main building. Let's get closer here to the pool and the main activities room. So here they have a lapidary, and they take rocks and you can get them cut. They try to make it like trinkets and jewelry out of them. But they got some nice grinders set up in here and buffers. This is right here down next to the main office, actually. There's people here working on theirs. Lots of seating. Here's part of their wood shop they have here. It's a really nice setup. Got some big lathes, some small lathes, exhausts, table saws. A lot of people in here commute, socialize, that's for sure. Well, here's one of the main facilities here. Actually got live music out here at the next to the pool. Set a band by the pool. It's a little cool today. That's why everybody's in jackets. I think there's someone out there, a couple people out there in the water because the pool is heated. So that's the pool out there. I think I should got an indoor pool here. Looks like they're doing some volleyball, hitting this stuff around a little bit. Nice area. And here we are steering near the pool. Look, there's the mailroom. Open air, breezy area. They've got a theater here. Valentine's dinner dance going on. And we'll go inside, look at the theater real quick if we can get in. We'll see. Actually, this here says laundry. Good size laundry. Nice pool room. I don't want to disturb anybody. Eight tables. Like it. Looks good. Now we are deep inside the kitchen. I got definitely an industrial kitchen. Ooh, you got a dishwasher. Nice. Griddles and deep fryers, and they probably serve actually regular food here until the Shriners get here. We kind of take it over for one meal at least. Cool. And they have a chapel here. Interesting. I guess they get a whole lot of people coming here, but anyway, it's actually inside of the main building where the pool tables are located. There's an office there. And here's another office type area. Well, basically it's a meeting room type area. So people could, more like a craft room most places, but And here's the main auditorium room. We got a hallway here to the right so they can rope it off. I like it. Big theater there. Good size. And just like that, we are upstairs in this big room where they've got different rooms here. One here says library, Vista room. Let's check out the library. Actually, this one here says card room. Come over and play some cards. Sign up sheets and times. Good size library. This Vista room actually has another one you can set up here for whatever. My guess is they'll play, either watch movies or they play bingo in here or something. Good size upstairs room though. Darts. Music room, I hear people playing. That sounds like horns. Let's peek. Nice peeky, huh? I could barely open that door. There's got to be some more rooms down here. Restrooms. Someone playing piano. That's the other end of the card room. Card room's at the other end of this place. Nice big TV. I like those things. This is music room. I'm not going to go in. I don't want to disturb anybody. Good, here you can see how many park models they have. See, there's a bunch of park models. And it goes on that way too. I don't know how many sites they have, probably 1,200 or something, I can guess. This is where the indoor pool is here. The regular pool's at that end. Pickleball courts there, pickleball courts. That area where the RC track is, it sits down here in the corner, right in there. Nice park. Well, I hope you enjoyed the visit to this park. It's a nice park. I like it. It's well laid out. You know, no kind of funny turns in it, and the asphalt is nice and smooth here. So they do a good job of keeping track of no potholes, nothing like that. And I think you find that when you don't have a lot of rain in an area, because rain causes, breaks things down like crazy. So erosion and everything else. But glad you enjoyed this tour of this park. Be sure to say this to your friends. If you're considering staying someplace in Yuma, Arizona, you just might want to consider Sun Vista. You might consider buying one of these places. Several of them are for sale, and actually got salespeople on property here that do nothing but sell these park models. But they're, as big as this park is, they've always got something for sale. Anyway, be sure to like and subscribe. Hope you enjoyed this video, and go ahead and join this. You can actually join this channel. I don't know if you knew that, and send this to your friends. Anyway, I'll let you go. And I'll see you on down the road, because I'm just out here living the coolest life. RV Park Review Edition.